We make products that weirdly fit into niches that nobody else wants to go to. That's kind of the original. This is a heavy duty outdoor snow pant. You can't destroy it, it'll probably destroy you. Right, what should we do? The common threads through all of these garments are basically the cuts work. If you can imagine putting on something that's in canvas, real heavy, if you've got a bad cut in a garment, it's all over, it's not going to work. The canvas is incredibly strong, so if you don't sew it incredibly well, your garment will just fall apart. The stitching will come undone. The first pant that we really made was a model of this thing called HD Dreadnought. Incredibly 12-ounce pack canvas, padded knee, and a little draw cord down the bottom there. The first couple of pairs, we made the boys made a couple of pairs of these, and people that had them loved them. Cold weather, dealing with oil, like guys that were putting on chains, groveling around on trucks, you know, and they didn't want to wreck a $400 pair of Gore-Tex pants. This is a mildly easy product, you know, 30 odd pieces. The front of it has got this bit of foam in it. Okay, now what that bit of foam does is it stiffens up the front of the gaiter. It means it never falls down. When things get complicated, we get to something like that. That's a deep winter. I don't know, 250 little components that have got to go together. If you don't have one component in the factory, you can't make the pant.
We had a customer ring us up about a couple of weeks ago who wanted a 4XL down jacket, and if we ordered 10,000 units from Asia to be delivered in a year's time, well, that customer's got no hope because we don't make 4XL. But we were able to say, oh yep, we'll cut that up for you, we'll put it on the end of the line, and we got it ready for them and made it. So we can turn around small little additions to our range as special orders.
Cactus originally started in a little place in Plimerton, my friend's mother's sewing room basically, and Willem, that's Willem, one of my shareholders of the business, he was trying to build stuff that just didn't fall apart, that was tougher than anything else. This is a rubberized Kevlar. We're talking about trades that like groveling on the ground, tilers, plumbers, yeah, a few electricians like them, yeah. Steel construction workers, anyone that's putting their knee down heaps. Yeah. This stuff here is just tough. You can put oil, grease, it doesn't matter, it likes that kind of stuff. That's the point of putting knee pads on there, is that that's the last thing that goes.